Can't come to the trap, you making it hot. Bro, for the work and it's fresh out the pot. I've been having nightmares, I sleep with a chop. I get off the work and I don't need a clock. I don't need the rib, you know it's a stop. You get on my nerves, I put it on block. If he choosing sides, then he turn to an op. The trap said he jumping, we making it hot. I gotta go, you moving slow. Run down on niggas, did that for my bro. Not fucking with niggas that's cracking the code. I'm still in the field, you know I'm a pro. Am I gonna blow? Then I get low. Back to the trap while I smoke out the O. I'm writing poetry, murder she wrote. No, I'm a hunter, I'm killing the ghost. I keep it close, ain't going broke. She tryna go cause we doing the most. I get the money.
Tell her pull up to the villa. My shit ain't really, she realize I'm on a mic, it's a thriller. Walk on the cook, call me Kimba. I might kill her shit. I might read her shit.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, completely different video to what I've ever uploaded, but just like my last one, it's different because this is the sort of stuff I want to start uploading when I get the chance. So if you don't already know, then we are going to Bradford today to get Drew's Audi S1 mapped. It is off the top of my head, Drew, if you're watching this video, I might get these like statistics wrong, and I'm sorry in advance. But his car is currently stage 2, 315 brake, or 330 brake. I'm sorry if I get that wrong, but it's something like that. It's running something like that anyway. And we're not going to get it mapped to be faster. There's just a different map. Okay? Yeah, that's all I'll tell you so far. So yeah, it is currently 8:45 in the morning. I hope you enjoyed the little montage at the start of the video of us washing Drew's car last night. Yeah, I just thought I'd do something completely different. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for Drew to come pick me up now, and we'll get on with the video. It's just basically a long, boring motorway journey, so I probably won't be filming as much, but I'll try and film any exciting bits that happen. So yeah, let's get on with the video.
Niggas be crying, you won't even know. Come for my bread, then he getting toast. I had to grow, know I'm a glow. Keeping that shit on the low, and never telling what you know. Look, never putting money over my bro. Never putting nothing over my family. Niggas really out here switching and cocaine go. Cause this shit is cold. Even if I ain't got it on me, I still won't fold. Can't come to the trap, you making it hot. Bro, for the work and it's fresh out the pot. I've been having nightmares, I sleep with a chop. I get off the work and I don't need a clock. I don't need the rib.
Have you got anything else on it already?
Intercooler.
Are you going to call them rolls?
Yeah.
It's
Stage 2 setup, that's got on it.
Yeah, if it's good, it might do 3/4.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for the clutch to die before I buy a new one. Just because they're so expensive. Probably.
like that, he's robbed the car. we're now walking home. He just fucking drove off.
Why lately everyone cross me, I can't trust nobody. I be praying to God to put me in that new Bugatti. If my brother need it, you know he got it if I got it. We pull up while you hiding, hop on my slam sliding.